Sheena Heart. This is quite long. Oh, I thought 10 minutes. It's 16 minutes, my sister. Let me go to the other because this is already 5 minutes. Or maybe I can do like, let me look for another 5 minutes at least. This is 5 minutes already. Okay. This is your second, ano yan, si Sheena. Pangalawa po na harang mo yan. Kasi 5 minutes na nagpi-play. So, ito harang mo. After that, I will get one more harang. You got ads at the beginning, and then this is the mid-roll. And I'll give you one more harang. Then I have to move to the other frame. Okay, now it's done. It's done to you, Kerala. I've been watching you. Look at this. I don't want to show it so long. So I got already 4 videos. 2 videos watching by Minda and then 2 videos watching my name. So total of 4 times. Right now, let me go to the others. Dubs Motovlog. Let me see you, Dubs Motovlog. Okay, Dubs Motovlog. Nandiyan ka pa ba, Dubs? Dubs Motovlog, nandiyan ka pa ba? Idikit ko sa'yo itong dalawang main channel ko, ha? Dubs Motovlog, salamat sa pagbisita mo po. Bagong kaibigan, Dubs Motovlog. Meron kang 5 months ago, 1.3 ka pa lang. Sino ba itong Dubs Motovlog? Palagay ko si ano to, yung isa nating kaibigan, si who is Dubs Motovlog? Can you please write down who you? Dubs Motovlog. Who you? I'm watching you now. Palagay ko itong si Dubs Motovlog, si ano to. Lagay ko ikaw si Bong Motovlog. Yeah? Bong Motovlog, ikaw ito. Sige, panoorin ko yan. Kahit maman din, ano. Road trip tayo, mga kadubs galing Simba. Dubs Motovlog. Dubs Motovlog. Nanonood ako sa'yo. Ilang minuto yan? Ano ba ito? 3 minutes lang pala yan. Okay. So we sing once more.